If you love somebody, you love somebody. Get married with or without your parents' approval. You loved, no? प्यार करने के पहले you'll ask your parents. नहीं ना? तो शादी करने के पहले क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Have that much अक्ल that when I have wasted 2 years of her life, or 5 years of her life, or 2 months of her life. प्यार करने के पहले मैंने मम्मी को पूछा था कि मम्मी मेरे को ये पसंद है. Can I waste 2 years on her? नहीं ना? तो अभी शादी करने के पहले why does your mother have to like her?
Because you love your family and that is why you just want everything to go smoothly. क्योंकि आगे relation.
That is making love marriage arranged marriage.
You are comparing it. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. You're comparing it from a foreign relationship जहाँ पे a guy and a girl gets married.
It's simple. Love marriage should happen irrespective of parents' approval. If you're waiting for your parents' approval and your parents have to align with their parents and your parents have to align with the other partner, it's arranged marriage. You just found the partner.